Hi everyone, welcome back to David Let Go To Hobbies. Right, I want to make or try to make a quick video or a short video on what I bought and what I used and what I adapted to use for my stone tumbler. Right, allow me, excuse me, runny nose, allow me to sort the camera over the basics. Right, easy bit of 2x2, doesn't really have to be anything special. You need something about 510 long, 510, 51 centimeters long, or 510 millimeters. Two bits of wood, either 2x2, bit of 18mm ply, something roughly about 2 foot square. This is actually again 51 centimeters long by about 410 wide. Doesn't have to be, can, as long as you get the what's name's cut to the right length. You need two of those, right? Okay, the 18mm ply cut to size. You will need the same wood that you used here to mount your motors pulleys on. So cut a 6-inch bit of wood, right, and screw it. Make sure it's level with the end. Come on, David, get it right. Square. So it's the same distance from that bit there to that bit there. So it's there. Probably set that in about 20 millimeters, and the same again either end. You'll see for why in a minute. Right, M12 studding. You need to extend it a little bit further than your bearing holders. These are number 14 armor cable cleats. You'll need 6 of those, and you will need some, think of the name, machine screws, 70 millimeters long. Or if you don't use machine screws, you will need 70mm or 7cm long wood screws. So you can screw through here, put a washer on it, and then screw this down. You basically push these together, make sure they're in line and square, and you just screw it down, and then you'll put your shafts through here basically. So the number 14 armor cable cleats, you will need 6 bearings. Those bearings will be 12mm by 35mm or 37. If you have 37, it will look like this. It will make it open a bit further, but ideally you want 12mm bearings inside diameter, 35 outside diameter, and it doesn't really matter what thickness the bearings is. So those are the two important factors, because a 12mm inside bearing, inside diameter, will fit onto a 12mm threaded bar. Yeah. Now you will need some lock nuts. Lock nuts are to lock that shaft in place, one either side, so you lock it in position. And you want this bearing sit in the middle of this armor cable cleat. Okay, bit of old hose pipe on here to reduce the noise, and obviously your 2x2, or what I used was 45 or 48. As I say, it doesn't really make a difference to the thickness. And by cue, my dogs are barking again. Screw it through, one in either end, 2 inches in, right, and then basically one in the middle. Okay, same on the other side. You want to get yourself another bit of 12mm studding, so you can make up an extra pulley. But what I will say to you is, this is just the parts you'll need. You'll need odd bits of wood, which is 18mm, which you've got already from, this is just off cut wood I used. Some old bits of scrap metal with holes in, so you can basically use them as retaining washers, so this will slide up and down, so you can make an adjustment. If you watch my other videos, you'll see how it's done. My patented design of wheel nuts bent center bearing holders. If you buy bigger bearings, which are the 15mm diameter, to fit onto a 12mm shaft. If you watch my other videos, you'll see how it's done. and obtaining a motor from eBay which is suitable. And if you watch my other YouTube videos, I'll give you tips on how to find the right ratios to work out your pulley sizes, how to make your pulleys, how to lock that pulley on there, and how to make your belts up. This polyurethane belt you can get on eBay, very easy and cheap. And this basically a waterproof box to house the electrics in from your motor, the main supply coming in, and your capacitor all gets wired up in here. If you watch my videos, you'll see how it's done. So basically it's all nice and tidy. How to do your feet, how to reduce the noise there, everything is in my YouTube video. If you want to follow me on YouTube, you know, this is how you'll build your own stone tumbler. So I know it's a very quick video because last time I made one of these videos it was over half hour long and I've done it so far in 6 minutes and I think I've done very well. Some tips, yeah, lots of them. I'm not going to go into them because it is so much to cover, and if you really want to know how to do things properly, follow my YouTube videos. It will teach you from what I made, the mistakes I made, how I got it right. And if you need any information on building your own stone tumbler, contact me. Give me a comment in the comments below and leave me a message and I'll come back to you. And if you want any more information, as I say, just drop me a message and I'll do my best. Little other tip, eBay, fantastic source of motors. Ideally you want something which is geared because it'll give you more torque. This is only a 25 watt motor and it will do a 12 kilogram stone tumbler drum with a piece of cake, because this has got a turning capacity of pulling up 25 kilos. It's a little motor, but it's because it's geared down, it gives you so much torque, and that's something you really need. So that's another little tip. Making your own pulleys, cutting your shafts down, another little tip. When you've cut your shaft down, file off all the little burr off of it and, you know, make it tidy. Yeah, and if you look on my YouTube videos, it will show you where I got the stuff and in more detail and stuff like that. So let's swap the camera. Right, so that's basically a very quick how to and the stuff, what parts I use for my stone tumbler. I wanted to do it quick because these things do tend to go on and on and on, and I do tend to rattle on a little bit, and I'm at 8 minutes already. So we've covered the quick how to get your bits and pieces for your stone tumbler. But if you follow me, my detailed build on doing different things, you can adapt it to what you want. You know, just if you want to use my pattern design, just ask me. You know, I don't mind people asking me. It's when they nick my idea and exploit it, if you see what I'm saying. But I've done this for you, not only myself, but I want to show people that have never built a stone tumbler a very in depth, because excuse me, I've just put my pen down. What I've found, just going to swap hands. What I've found on YouTube is they will show you how to make a build. They'll show you how they built their stone tumbler. I'll tell you all about it after it's done, but they haven't gone all into the details, and that's what's missing. So I wanted to do it from scratch, and to cover the safety aspects, to cover the materials, what's good, what's bad, and everything in between. So really, I hope it's helped you. So right, I've already made a couple other videos today on the end caps and the rubber feet, so if you want to watch those, please do so. But last but least, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, and last but least, if you would like to see more videos from me, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button above and then click on the little bell icon and then click all, and you'll see all these fantastic videos I'm making. There's a whole load of different stuff coming out, and yeah, basically your choice is yours, what you want to watch. And thank you for dropping by. See you next video. Bye for now. Thank you.